welcome back to my channel this morning. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kim, and if you're not, welcome back. So today's video is going to be a meal prep video. This is the second week we've been meal prepping. I meal prepped last week and it was such a success, and I feel like it definitely sets me up for success. So it's easy. You just do everything at the beginning of the week or on the weekend, like today's Sunday, and then you just have your meals laid out for the week. And maybe you're not gonna do 5 meals, but at least if you like do 3, you'll have something. And it just makes it a lot easier and cheaper. You're saving money, saving time, and you get to make it at home, so you know what you're making, what you're putting in your body. So today's meals are new recipes. I'm so excited for them. For breakfast, we're gonna be making Starbucks egg bites. Like, we're gonna try to make it exactly like their egg bites. We're gonna have it real moist and just I don't know the word, it's not spongy, but I found a recipe on TikTok, so we're gonna do that. We're gonna follow that exactly, and you can do it your way. You don't have to put bacon or sausage in. If you want to make it veggie, put some mushrooms, spinach. And then for lunch, I still have our chickens from last week's meal prep, and I have them like as a fillet. They're not cut up, so we're gonna make that, and we're gonna have like buffalo, like grilled chicken buffalo wraps, where we'll add like lettuce, tomatoes, cheese, and then you can use like buffalo sauce or barbecue or ranch or whatever you want to use, but I think I'm gonna do buffalo. And then for dinner, we're gonna make a delicious salmon meal. I have a full, whole, entire salmon, and unfortunately it has the skin on because that was the only thing they had at Sam's. So we're gonna try to get the skin off, and we're gonna make a delicious dinner. I'm so excited. I made this salmon recipe, I think last year in the oven, and it was just like a garlicky, lemony butter salmon, and it was just like, it was so good. And then we're gonna pair it with like cauli mash and maybe asparagus or green beans. So that's the menu for the week. We're gonna get started. I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'm just gonna show you guys how I make it, how I do it. And then yeah, we're gonna have these meals throughout the week. And also, I don't know if I just mentioned this or not, but these are keto friendly and low carb meals. So if you are on keto or following a low carb lifestyle, this menu or this week's meal prep is just gonna be perfect for you. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Jot down some ideas. Maybe you guys will make this next week or this week. If you do, let me know. Leave me a comment. If you have any suggestions on what I should meal prep for next week, let me know. I'm so open to suggestions. So let's go. Okay guys, we're gonna add 6 eggs to a blender. I don't have a blender, so we're gonna use our bullet. I'm gonna add salt, onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper. Then we're gonna add 1.5 cup of cottage cheese. I know guys, I am not a fan of cottage cheese, but you need this in the recipe. Oh, it's gonna be so full. Okay, let me blend this and then I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, we have our mixture here. I know it looks crazy, looks weird, but trust the process. Okay, then you're gonna use a muffin tin, and then make sure you have something under that. That way you can put water in here. And then I'm gonna fill it about halfway. So you can use any kind of cheese. We're using mild cheddar, and I'm gonna add cheese to all of the egg bites. So you can make your own bacon, but I'm doing the easy way. These are with bacon bits, and then I have spinach and mushrooms. So we're gonna do half bacon and then the other half with spinach and mushrooms. give it a good mix. So what we'll do, we'll actually put this in the oven first. Right there. And then you want to have the steam effect. So we're going to add some water. Oh, too much water. We're gonna put this in here. Do you see all that steam coming up? That is going to give this like that Starbucks texture, egg bite texture. Okay, so I put the egg bites in for 20 minutes and then I checked on it and then they were still like not ready. So I added another 10 minutes. So I did put them in the oven for 30 minutes on 300. So we're gonna go ahead and take them out now and we'll try it. So I want to show you guys the texture. The texture is literally like the Starbucks egg bites. Look at that. Do you see that? It came out so good, you guys. Wow. So I just put a few on a plate here. The rest is still in the cupcake tin, but look at that. Look at this freaking texture. I think these came out so perfect, but we're gonna try it. So I usually like to eat my egg bites with sriracha. So, but it's like a hit or miss at Starbucks. Sometimes they'll have sriracha in like the little tube packs and sometimes they won't. So you just have to ask. Okay, so let's get a little close up here. So this is the bacon. You can see all the pepper, cheddar cheese, and bacon. And then just put a little bit of sriracha right on top here. Let's try it together. Oh my gosh. Honestly, this tastes better than the Starbucks version, like the Starbucks egg bites, honestly. Okay, so now this is the mushroom and spinach. We're also gonna add a little bit of sriracha. Let's try that. I think at Starbucks they have mushroom too. Mushroom and something else, I can't remember. Mushroom and kale? Oh, I don't know. Anyway. Oh, this one's good. So I have these in a container, so every morning I can just have 2 or maybe even 3 and just take that with me on the go, or if I'm at home I'll just put it in the microwave. But I'm gonna just go ahead and throw this in the fridge, and then this will be my breakfast meal prep for the week. So very easy to make, guys. Definitely try it, and I will see you guys at lunch. Okay guys, it's time to make our lunch meal prep. This one's gonna be super easy because we already seasoned and cooked our chicken thighs, and it's just very easy. So, okay guys, so this is everything that I'm using for my lunch meal prep today. We're gonna start off with low carb tortillas. This is in the spinach herb. This has 3 grams of net carbs, 60 calories. So we're gonna start off with using this. And then for our meat, we have chicken thighs in here. They're not cut up or anything, so just like a whole chicken thigh, and it's already seasoned. So obviously we're making a wrap today. And then our toppings, we have provolone cheese here. You can use whatever cheese you want, right in the background. And then we have our green leaf lettuce, cherry tomatoes, and then we have medium buffalo sauce. So we're gonna make like a grilled buffalo chicken wrap. So that's what we're gonna be prepping for lunch this week. And then we'll just put our like toppings in here. So we are going to do just one little thing of lettuce. We'll add about 2 cherry tomatoes. That way I can cut it up. And then we'll just put a little slice of cheese in here. And you know what? Maybe, I feel like honestly, we can just prep these like in baggies instead of containers. I guess we can like wrap it in plastic. Yeah, I think that's good, guys. Yeah, look at that, guys. That's like so perfect. You can just take this to go when you're going into the office like I am. And then I just have to figure out how to add the sauce. Then we have our chicken. You can warm it up if you want. Right now it's like room temperature. You want to add cheese, lettuce, and then you want to slice up these tomatoes. Sorry, I had to rearrange it to take a nice picture, but and then you'll add whatever sauce you want. And that's our wrap, and then all you'll have to do is just wrap it up like this, and then you have yourself just like an easy buffalo chicken wrap. That's what the wrap looks like, guys. Lots of good stuff in there, keto friendly, low carb. And we have our little lunches for the week in these little bags. So convenient on the go. So I did make 3 because I'm going into the office 3 days this week. But yeah, look at that. So easy, so simple, and so yummy. Okay guys, the kids are home, but we're gonna start dinner. I know you guys don't like to scream me, so we'll probably do like a little voiceover with this, but we're gonna make dinner now. So we're gonna do things a little bit differently with salmon. Usually I do salmon, like I have my routine with salmon, but today we're changing things up. So yeah, let's make dinner. But today we're gonna add everything. Thank you. Okay, so I found this hack on TikTok where you put like hot water and then the skin just like comes off. So we'll try it. All right guys, so now we're gonna throw this in the oven, 400 for about 15 minutes. Okay, so for our sides, I have 2 of these, but we're just gonna make 1 to meal prep for 2 days. So this is mashed cauliflower, the sour cream and chive flavor, and then we've got some green beans. So I'll go ahead and make this. This is the easy part, the saute. And then for this, by the way guys, I changed my nails up. I'm not really sure how I like them, but I don't have the time to change them now. So we're just gonna have to live with them for a few more days. Okay guys, salmon is done, green beans done, cauli mash done. Let's place them in these little meal prep containers I got from Walmart. Hey guys, this is my dinner meal prep for the week. Low carb, keto friendly, so much protein. And remember, I know I didn't put too much of like the green beans or the cauli mash because we're still trying to not overeat. We're still trying to not have too many calories, but just enough to get us full for dinner. But this looks so good. I'm so excited to have this for dinner. All right guys, so we have our copycat Starbucks egg bites for breakfast this week that we meal prepped. We have our buffalo grilled chicken wrap that we've meal prepped, and then we have our dinner. Oh my gosh, this is like the perfect meal plan for weight loss, for keto friendly meals, for low carb meals, and for low calorie as well. All right, so today was a successful day of meal prepping, guys. Okay guys, it's actually the next day and I'm editing this video. I forgot to close out the video yesterday, but I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and you guys got a few ideas for meal preps that are keto friendly and low carb. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.